how to find settings and privacy on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the settings and privacy on TikTok mobile. First thing, go to TikTok and here just click here profile, click on it, and now click this three lines here in top corner, and after you click on it just click settings and privacy. And as you see here, you will find settings and privacy on TikTok mobile, and you can manage here anything you want. You can manage your account, your privacy, security, and login. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.